Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic gearbox. In the beginning, let's press brake. Take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the gearbox shifter. As you can see on the scheme on the left side, we've got PRNDM modes. To switch from parking to reverse, press button located on the front of the gearbox shifter. Now pull it downwards. Now you can switch to neutral and drive without button. To select manual mode, press brake, press the button and pull downwards. In manual mode, you can change gears manually via paddles behind the steering wheel. And that's basically it. To put on parking mode, press button located in the front and push it forward. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.